that should raise bees, I guess. The thing of it is, this is only 30 days on this since it was cut. I cut it on, actually longer. Sorry, I cut it on the 7th of June. This is the 10th of July. So, we just been getting rain, rain, rain. Looks to be a lot out here. It's very full and thick. We got lightning down that direction. And according to the Gator, it's straight west of me a bunch, but that looks pretty light out there. So I don't know what they're thinking. I don't know what we're gonna get done here. This is not looking good.
Located 4 miles north of Clearwater or 11 miles northwest of Neely, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
All right, on this baler, it keeps thinking that the left side has got enough hay, and it wants you to put hay over on this side. It says the right side is always low, needing hay. And you know that's not right, because if you follow the monitor, it'll make a cone-shaped bale. This side will be small, the left side will be small, because it says it doesn't need it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna even up the sensors in here. They're behind this cover. And then we'll see if that helps. And then we'll test it, see if we can get them evened up. What they have you do first is you come back here to your bale shape sensors. They got a bearing on each one here. And they tell you to jam a board up in here to pull this sensor out. They do make brackets that you can hook on here and then just hook on the back of the baler so you don't have to mess with these boards. They just hook around this piece of iron and hook on the back, and that's supposed to set it perfect. But what they want you to do is you jam this in there and then you measure. They want 55 millimeters up between this bearing and the back of the thing. And we're pretty close. Yeah. That's 54 9/10. So that's pretty close on that one. And you do the same on this one here. That might be a little far. This is hard to do one-handed, but I mean, that's pretty close, right? 54 9/10. That's pretty close for who it's for. But so you get that set, and then you come in the cab and you get your monitor turned on. We'll start over here. So you hold the setup button and turn it on at the same time. Okay, now you're in setup mode. So there's your, and to get to channel 7, you just press the plus button. And channel 9 is the right sensor. Channel 9 is the right sensor. Channel 7 is the left sensor, or else the opposite, but I'll clarify that with you. So you get that on, And what we're gonna do back here is we're gonna go back to the sensors and we're gonna adjust them. We're on channel 9. It tells you in the book too. Channel 9 is the left side. Channel 7 is the right side. I'm adjusting the right side right now. So let's go down to channel 7. Channel 7. And the idea is we want to get that to about 176. And how you got to know when you get that to 176 is it'll start beeping at you. So you can be back here and hear it. So I got the cover off here, the corner. That's this piece. And then we loosen these 2 bolts here on the sensor itself. And then we'll slowly turn it till we get a beep. Right there it is. And then we tighten her back up. Oop. There we go. There we got that side adjusted. So we got her at 176 just like we wanted. So now let's change it to channel 9 and we'll do the same to the left side. Ah, shoot. Kind of a touchy little thing. There. Then you put your cover back on. And it should be 176 on both sides, but yes, thank you. All right, channel 9 is 176. So is channel that one. So we'll just shut it off, turn it back on, and see what our bars say now. Hey, look at that. They're evened up. Well, they're full too because we got them boards under there yet. So let's see what happens after we take those out. Maybe they'll be uneven. Okay, got the covers on, got the lumbar out of the back. What does the monitor say? Well, that has evened them up. We'll see what it does in the field. Well, we ended up with like 2.5 inches of rain after I cut this. That looks pretty good yet on the bottom. A little sun bleach on top. Trying to get this rolled up today. We mowed this, shoot, what day was it? I don't remember. The 10th or the 11th. 10th, I think. Yeah. I think it sprinkled a little bit on Friday on it. Just hardly anything. And yesterday we had a little chance, but that kind of fizzled out before I got here, so I got kind of lucky. But yeah, this looks like pretty good stuff under here. Nice and green. Flip it over, get it up off of the mud. It's dry where the mower swath is, you see. But underneath, it's mud under there yet. looks like when we get back. They say you're always supposed to finish on the left side. I don't know why. It has something to do with the twine. Maybe get net rep, that'd be different, but evened up. We'll see how she looks. All right, well, we made it around here. What do you think? Looks pretty square, don't it? I think so. So it must have worked.